Hello again, my name is Kip Weller. I'm an FAE with JF Kilfoyle. I'm responsible for our heat shrinkable materials, both tubing materials and molded shapes. We've done a couple of DIY, do-it-yourself videos on how you can use these materials for covering tools and all kinds of things around your home. You know, a lot of the products we might sell, like semiconductors or resistors, capacitors, those sort of things. Maybe those are challenging to find home applications for unless you're a ham operator or you work on your own electronics. But with these heat shrinkable materials, we can use them for all kinds of things. And one I thought I'd mention at Neil's request, my friend and coworker Neil, is on use like for glasses. I don't know about you guys, but as you get older, you need more glasses. These are my reading glasses. These are tech readers, I think they call them. They're good for computers. So they're good for about 30 inches up to readers. Then I've got actual long distance glasses that I don't really need that much. And then sunglasses. And one of the things I find is that a lot of the glasses, they're hard plastic and they're kind of slippery when you put them on. They don't stay in place. The other thing is, if some of you have the bad habit I do, of holding your glasses in your mouth, you might end up getting chewed up or a little bit rough here, so they can be irritating on your temples or on your ears. But anyway, with the plastic and metal glasses, sometimes they're a little bit loose. And what I found is by putting a piece of heat shrink tubing on here, on any of these glasses, the heat shrink tubing, like Sumitomo's B2 polyolefin material, has a nice grippy surface. So not only does it change the texture to a more grippy surface, but it increases the diameter a little bit. So it makes that area a little bit larger. And I typically will use black, so you probably can't see it, but just in this area. I didn't even realize I've got it on all of my glasses. My sunglasses for outside, my readers, and just Neil had mentioned actually showing you how to put a piece on here. But normally this area is not that graduated, so you can use a 2-to-1 heat shrink material. These materials come in a 3-to-1, 4-to-1 shrink ratio. For instance, if you had a very large area and a very small area you had to transition to. I've already got black on here, but I'm going to use a piece of blue just to demonstrate. Just putting it in that area. You can use a normal type of heat gun like this one, set at the right temperature for this material, but a hairdryer will oftentimes work if you've got a good hairdryer for like a material like a B2. So simply putting it in place, I've got a reflector on this heat gun so that I'm getting pretty good coverage all the way around the substrate. So I don't have to do a whole lot of spinning and turning. But by just transitioning one end to the other, and you still get a little bit more heat at the bottom, so I'm going to flip it. Allow it to tighten up. I've got this set a little low so we don't make too much noise. A lot of these heat guns, you can vary the not only the temperature but the fan speed. I've got this set on pretty low fan speed right now. So here, hopefully you can see, it's very smooth. It's taken the curve, there's no wrinkles. It's nice and soft, it's got a good grip to it. You can color your glasses, like your sports glasses, you want to go red or your team colors or whatever. These materials come in an array of colors. Black is the most common. So here I've got black and here I have blue. A little bit warm still, but not too warm. So you get a really good grip because that material is has a lower durometer to it. It's a little softer, like a rubber band, but not that soft, but a little bit softer than a lot of these hard plastics. So you increase the diameter and you get a better grip. And then you can style it up any way you want. If we can help you with anything regarding heat shrinkable tubing materials, adhesive line materials, chemically resistant materials, high temperature materials, anything you've got an application for in your job or even away from your job, you can reach us from our website at jfkilfoyle.com. Look forward to talking to you and have a good day.